I just want to start. Love, let love be genuine. So our love must be genuine. 1 John 3:16-18. By this we know love, that he laid down his life for us, and we ought to lay down our lives for our fellow brothers and sisters. It must be genuine. We must lay it down. 1 Corinthians 13:4-7. Love is patient, kind, bears all things, believes all things, hope all things, endure all things. Colossians chapter 3:12-14. Listen to these words. Clothe yourself with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, patience. And then over all these virtues, put on love. Brown, the author, would say one of the greatest virtues is to love. And then Ephesians 5:1-2, to be imitators of God, to walk in love. If I need to put all of this together, we can never take love as a cliche again.